Hello friends, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video session, we have started the topic of Internet and we have seen the uses of Internet. In this video session, we are going to discuss the different purpose of Internet. Before starting this concept of purpose of Internet, I would like to clear the difference between the word use and purpose, because in your syllabus there are two contents like use of Internet and purpose of Internet. So you should easily differentiate these both topics by understanding the difference between these words use and purpose. The meaning of word use is to utilize something or to habituate, whereas the meaning of word purpose is to make objective for achieving something or to reach something. So I hope you understand the difference between these two words. Now we will start learning the concept of purpose of Internet. Let's start. There are so many purposes of Internet for which the Internet has been developed. Let's see all these purposes one by one. The first purpose of Internet is information sharing. In the beginning, when the Internet was invented, it was solely applicable in defense sector, education area and research areas. But now, this uses of Internet is open to people and companies. So, the basic aim for inventing and developing this concept of Internet was to share and is to share information between two or more people, institutions, organizations, governments, etc. So, for sharing this information, we use Internet, we use different platforms of sharing information by using Internet like online news, journals, blogging, magazines, search engines, etc. The next purpose of Internet is communication purpose. Communication purpose is one of the most important objective of developing Internet. Under communication purpose, we make communication with the help of Internet by using social networking, chattings, emails, video calling, audio calling, etc. The next purpose of Internet is entertainment purpose. We realize the value of entertainment purpose of Internet in the period of lockdown. Many of us have utilized Internet for entertaining themselves because nobody was allowed to go outside, spend time in theaters, museums, various parks, etc. So, at that time, Internet was solely only application or only medium by which we could entertain ourselves. So, we entertain ourselves with the use of Internet by using various online games, OTT platforms, means over-the-top platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, etc. Then by using by watching various online videos and audios. YouTube is the best platform for watching various kinds of online videos and entertaining oneself. The next purpose of Internet is commercial purpose. After opening or after allowing the use of Internet in commercial purpose, the whole industry, the whole business industry has been changed completely. Now in 21st century, there are so many businesses which we can say that they cannot sustain without the connection of Internet. For internal as well as external communication, Internet is utilized. Then for marketing, for online and digital marketing, then for in MIS, that is Management Information System, various kinds of management information system, your Internet is utilized. Then for distance working, what we are doing today, work from home is only possible because of the use of internet. So commercial purpose is one of the important purposes of internet. The next is educational purpose. What we are doing right now, I am communicating, I am giving lecture on the topic of purpose of internet. I'll upload it on YouTube and you will watch this video and understand this topic of purpose of internet. This is all online education and I am educating you with the use of internet. So education purpose is also very important purpose of internet, where distance learning, then online learning, what we are doing right now, then online examinations, various research are conducted with the use of internet under the purpose of education. Then the next purpose is exploration purpose. Internet is utilized for various explorations like job search, where job search engine provide platform to match job seekers and job givers. Then for matchmaking, there are so many matchmaking websites like Shaadi.com, then IndianMarriages.com and all, where the bride and groom are where that platforms meet girl and boy and perform the work of matchmaking. Then destination search, the famous example which is the famous tool used for destination search is Google Maps. So for these all exploration purposes, internet is utilized. The next purpose is transaction purpose. It is very important because only because of the internet we can do online shopping, make various online banking transactions. So for transaction purpose, internet plays a vital role. We use internet for online shopping, as I have already discussed, then for e-commerce, the mobile banking, then for unified payment interface systems. These all are completely depend upon the use of internet. So these are the various purpose of internet, that is for information sharing, then communication, then entertainment, then commercial, then educational purpose, exploration purpose and transaction purpose. There are some more purposes which you can identify and consider it in this topic. I hope you understand this topic very well and now you can differentiate the use of internet and